Welcome, listeners, to Listening Matters in Hilversum. We are specialist high-end retailer in the Netherlands, and today we are going to unpack an iconic product from Scotland, the Linn LP12 Majik turntable. Linn's LP12 turntable is a multi-configurable and upgradable turntable. It's already made by Linn in Glasgow for over 50 years, which makes it the product which is in production for the longest time since today. The LP12 comes in different varieties, different power supply, different subchassis, different plinths, different bearings. You can choose your LP12 like you want it or the way you can afford it at the time. The LP12 starts with the Majik LP12, which is the configuration here. You can see that it's got an on and off button, the motor pulley, which makes it turn 33.5 RPM. And then if you look at the bottom, there you see the Majik power supply, which drives the motor unit here. This LP12 also got the Majik subchassis, which is a sandwich construction chassis with a separate arm board, which we're gonna mount later on this turntable. The LP12, several upgrades, tone arms, power supplies, subchassis, complete from starting somewhere about €4,500 until a small €30,000. Happy listening, happy playing records.